Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video we'll be making some homemade salmon burgers. I've got 4 salmon fillets. So these are boneless but they have the skin on. So we're just going to remove the skin. I'm just going to grab the skin and move it from side to side. That's how we remove the skin. We're going to cut our salmon into cubes. We're going to put the salmon in a bowl. Going to rinse them off with some water and distilled vinegar. I'm going to put a little bit of seasoning, maybe about 1/4 teaspoon of each. So I've got some orange pepper, some complete seasoning, and some lemon pepper. And let's get started on the remaining ingredients. I will link all measurements in the description box below. We've got 2 shallots, 2 garlic cloves, 1/2 cup of panko breadcrumbs. I've got 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, some Dijon mustard. I'll be using 2 teaspoons, 1 tablespoon of capers, and black pepper and salt. You can season to your taste. Got our food processor. And that's our salmon. I'm just going to add a few pieces. So I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. We're going to cover this and mix it on high speed for about a minute until it starts to form a paste consistency. We've also added our 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. So we've cut our shallots into cubes and the garlic into pieces. Gonna also add our capers and the rest of the salmon. We want this to have some texture. Just a few seconds more, we'll add some black pepper, some salt, maybe about 10 to 15 seconds of mixing. That's done. That's our pureed salmon and all of our ingredients. We're going to add this to a glass bowl. You can see it has a lot of texture. You can see shallots, some garlic, and also pieces of salmon and capers as well. We've got one final thing to add to form our burgers, and we've got 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs. We're just going to mix this in. To form my burgers, I've got a burger press. I'm going to rest these on a baking sheet with greaseproof paper. Okay, so I'm going to slide this off. You can form these by hand as well, but I like how they come out with the burger press. Our salmon burgers are formed. I'm going to set these in the freezer just to harden a bit, and then I'll show you how to store 3 of them in the freezer, and then we'll be cooking 1 for this video. So I will see you back in the next clip. Guys, it's been about 1/2 hour. Our burgers are nice and firm, so they're easier to store this way. I've got some greaseproof paper. I'm just going to put them in between the burger so that they don't stick together. I've got a Ziploc bag. And that's how I store my salmon burgers. I have these either on a bun or a lunch with a salad. Welcome back, guys. So we're gonna be making our salmon burger now. Got our salmon patty here. I've got some red onion, tomatoes, some lettuce, and one brioche bun. So let's go and pan fry our salmon burger. I'm gonna add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, a small amount of unsalted butter, just to add some flavor. I'm gonna put a little bit of rosemary and thyme in the oil. I've got my pan on medium to low heat. Gonna add in our burger. Gonna cook it for about 4 minutes on each side. Guys, our burger has been cooking for 4 minutes. We're just gonna flip it. We're gonna cook it for about another 4 to 5 minutes, and then we'll put our burger together. It's been another 4 minutes. Our burger's looking great. We're gonna turn our heat off. It has a nice crust on it. Let's finish putting our burger together, and then voila, we're done. We've got our toasted bun. Let's add on our burger patty. Tomatoes. Add whatever you like on your burger. I normally just have lettuce, tomatoes, red onion. To this I'm gonna add some homemade garlic mayo sauce. On the top of our toasted bun. Let's do a close-up. That's our homemade salmon burger. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified when I post new videos. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.